Hello YouTubers and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today I'm doing an unpacking. Yeah, not an unboxing but an unpacking. It's a HDMI lead. I've already opened it up because I had to make sure it was what I thought it was. But anyway, I have it here. So here we go. So I'll show you the little leaflet comes with it. Name of the company, IBRA. I believe that's how you pronounce it, I could be totally wrong. And then descriptions, instruction manual, although I don't think you really need instruction manual. But the reason I bought these because it's got 2.0, which you need for, as I understand it, you need for 4K TVs. For the transfer rate, because these transfer more data than the older models, so that's the reason I got it. So with that, I'll just unclip it and I'll show you what's inside. I'll tell you what, I'll move the camera around so you get a better view. Right, I hope you can see that okay, I think you can. So let's cut the cable, clips. So my first impressions, simple packaging, but why would you waste money on packaging? Feels like a good quality beading. I think that's the right word, beading. This is a 2 metre cable. Comes in various sizes, from 0.7 metres right up to 40 metres. God knows what you do at 40 metres, but there you go. So, take the covers off, have a look. Take both of them off. Got plastic clips to protect the end. Very nice quality. Can you see that okay? Very nice. They'd look good in any home. I know it's only a bit of cable, but I think they look really nice. Now I believe, let me move that camera so you can see me again. Put these back on the end. For now, it pulls out. Yep, I'm back. Yeah, it's coming in various sizes. Obviously, the prices vary as well. Also, I believe that it also connects to the internet. I'm not sure how that works, but apparently it does. I'll look into that in the future and see how that works. I think it's something to do with your smart TVs. I think the quality is very good. The way they look, nice. I like the gold. Obviously, gold connections will give you a better connection than most other materials for making sure you get a very good connection. It's only gold plated. I would like to point that out, just in case you thought it was solid gold. Could be worth a fortune, wouldn't they? These 2 metre, this I think it was 2 metre cable. It's about 1 metre cable, maybe 1.5. Actually, I'm not sure. I think it's 2 metres. Yeah, probably 2 metres. Anyway, the 2 metre ones I've got on the screen. I'll just quickly show you. Sorry about that. As you can see. Oops, wrong way. Luxury gold 2 metres, £6.95. That's what I paid from Amazon. And I thought, £6.95, well worth the money. Worth every single penny in my opinion. Back again. Back to me. Now I did go. Oops. That's a little bit too close. Just adjust that. better. I did go to a shop and have a look at some HDMI cables, and they wanted £90. There's no way I'd pay £90. Don't care how good they are. It's an electrical retailer, and I have bought cable in the past that cost quite a bit of money, but for £90 for a 2 metre cable, I thought was ridiculous. So I've done a bit of shopping around, and that's when I found these on Amazon. I'll stick the link in the description for you, so you get a direct link for you to have a look. I don't really know what else to say about them. I think, like I said, for under £7, 2 metres, worth the money. I would like to point out that depending on what size, even if you go down smaller on the sizes, if you go down to say the 0.75 metre, it will actually cost a little bit more. So obviously the 2 metre ones are pretty standard, so they probably make more of them, so that's probably why they're cheaper. So yeah, I'll say you get what you pay for, and that's true in many cases, but I thought for little money, like I said, under £7, they're worth every single penny. And I will be sticking a review up on Amazon with the link to this video to say how good a quality I think they are. I'm not being paid for this, by the way. This is a free video. I just wanted to share this experience. I don't want people thinking, oh, he's got a promotion, you know, they're paying him to put this video up. I'm not being paid for it. It's totally my own opinion, and yeah, like I say, I bought 4 of these in total. One for my neighbour, because my neighbour wanted one, because she actually has a 4K TV, and that's when we found out they wanted £90 for a cable. Stop that, they're paying £90. So I told her I'll look online and I will get her some, and this is what I bought her, and she's very happy with it. Well, like I said, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please put your comments on the bottom, and I will put as much information I can in the description for you. Thank you for watching.